Now we are gonna go out and do some adventurous stuff. Explore. What are we doing again?
It's called dumpster diving. A lot of supermarkets, they have a policy of not keeping some good food. So they just put the good, proper packed food into the dumpster. And you just find one and you bring it back.
So I'm gonna go pick up some food from the dumpster and bring it and eat it. This is not expected at all. Riding bicycle on the way to steal food. Let's go. Woohoo! Oh.
What's here? Yeah, nothing. This is just grass. Let's go.
Nothing? Nice. The whole is
Just salads today.
there's like a lot of salads.
Yes, but they look better, right?
Hey guys, so I want to talk about dumpster diving. Yesterday I got to experience dumpster diving. It's also called street scavenging, trash picking, dumpster picking. It's actually basically go over the trash bins, try to find something useful. According to Wikipedia, it's often done because of the poverty. So yesterday what I did is I went to the bins of the big supermarkets in Poland, such as Lidl or Biedronka. In one of those bigger supermarkets, they have a lot of waste. They throw away a lot of stuff. So I went through the dumpsters and tried to find something edible. I got some cucumbers and salad. I think this is kind of somewhat accepted because some of the supermarkets have the beans inside the cage where there could be locks, but there was no locks. The people I was with, they mentioned how we have to be clean in sense that we could go over the trash, but we have to keep the place so that other people come and take what they need for themselves. Supermarket on purpose would leave the cage unlocked. If the people who come to pick the trash, if they start making messes, then they would start lock the cages and people would not be able to dumpster dive. You know, from the supermarket's point of view, it's a waste anyways. It's a trash, so they don't care if they go missing or not. For the people who's going over them, they could have some free food or free stuff. So it's a win-win, I believe. It was a very interesting experience. To be honest, I would never go over the trash to find some food. However, I did not say anything to the people I was with. However, I could see why a lot of people could need it. Not necessarily because they don't have money to buy those, but it could be a way of saving money. They could spend those money to buy the food somewhere else. The things we found was perfectly fine. It's not rotten or anything. Perfectly normal goods. Just that the supermarket could not possibly process it, so they had to throw it away. I do understand it may look bad, but if you see the people who do that, don't call police on them. Think they are bad people. Just like how some people don't waste food when they are eating. It just could be another way of saving some money for students or those who are not making too much money. So that was me experiencing dumpster diving for the first time. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.